Hi everyone, and welcome back to the AI Dictionary channel, where we break down artificial intelligence in simple and easy to understand language. I'm your host, Susie Hala, and today we're diving into the world of machine learning, one of the most important parts of AI and something that's already shaping the future around us. What is machine learning? So, what is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that teaches computers how to learn from data, rather than being explicitly programmed step by step. It's like training a computer to recognize patterns and make decisions, just like humans do, but much faster and often with a lot more data. Here's a simple example. Imagine you're teaching a child how to recognize different fruits. You show them apples, bananas, and oranges over and over until they start recognizing them on their own. That's kind of what machine learning does, but with data instead of fruit. Key components. Machine learning has three key components. 1. Data. This is what the computer learns from. The more data, the better the learning. 2. Algorithms. These are sets of rules or steps the computer follows to learn from the data. 3. Models. After learning, the computer creates a model it can use to make predictions or decisions. Benefits of machine learning. Machine learning is powerful because it can analyze massive amounts of data quickly, make predictions, like weather forecasting or stock trends, personalize experiences, like your Netflix recommendation, detect fraud, spam, or security threats in real time. Some real-life examples of machine learning include your email filtering out spam automatically, self-driving cars recognizing traffic signs, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa learning how you speak, online stores recommending products you might like. Applications and industries. Machine learning is used in almost every major industry. Healthcare, to diagnose diseases; finance, to predict stock prices or detect fraud; retail, for customer personalization; agriculture, to monitor crops and weather patterns; education, to tailor learning for students. Of course, it's not all perfect. Machine learning does face challenges, like bias in data, which can lead to unfair decisions, privacy concerns when using sensitive data, the need for large and clean datasets to train accurately. So, that's a quick introduction to machine learning, one of the most exciting and fast-growing areas of AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone curious about AI. And leave a comment below if you want me to cover a specific topic in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of the AI Dictionary channel.